you more about patience?
Patience, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin matutunan yung patience na yan. Sapagkat being a leader and being a dad will always require you to be able to set standards. And when you set standards, you are going to always have frustrations, disappointments, because meron kang gustong maabot na level that your team should be able to do. Magulang. Ano bang standard kadalasan sinasabi ng magulang? Mas mataas na antas, mas mataas na grade. Pag hindi nila nakuha yung mas mataas na antas o mataas na grade, nagkakaroon ka ng disappointment, frustration. But at the end of the day, ano ba ang kailangan mo ma-achieve? Kailangan mo ma-achieve actually is the ability to harness the inner strength of either the people that work for you or the children that you raise. Dapat natututunan mong ilabas paano sila magiging matatag at makalaban doon sa mga challenges that they're facing. Yun naman ang talagang trabaho ng leader. Yun din naman ang trabaho mo bilang magulang, to be able to allow them to fight day-to-day challenges or to achieve the goals that they're supposed to meet.